How-To Platforms is a brand new company created to distribute the How-To Productivity Platform. The platform is a new concept that will change the way we clean. First, let's go over the current state of the art. Misters have been around for decades, but became quite popular recently because of the COVID pandemic. While our platform may have similar external appearance to some of these devices, it is certainly not a mister. Misters are expensive to purchase and expensive to use. They only disinfect with an extended dwell time. Some leave a sticky, dirt-attracting mess, and they do not clean, they soil. Every company in this industry has one of these devices. They are wall-hung and dial-operated, like the phone on the right. They had a useful purpose till now, but with the platform, these devices are as obsolete as that phone. These wall-hung dial dispensers have no utility. They're all cost and no value. There's equipment cost, installation cost, and operation cost. You only get 4 product dilutions, and the accuracy is poor. There are plumbing code violations and cross connections that waste energy. They also waste valuable space in the closet. Product use cost is typically very high at 20 cents to $1.50 per gallon. Now let's talk about the cart-based systems. These are basically pressure washers. Pressure washers are great at deep cleaning. Unfortunately, they are also noisy, messy, and slow. They use incredible amounts of water and labor. They are very expensive to own and generally unused because of all the problems listed above. The platform was designed to correct all of these problems. Okay, you would never let a mop bucket get to this condition, but everybody knows that reusing dirty solution is a problem with mop buckets. We also know that damp mopping the floor is spreading the dirt, but not picking up much of it. Wet mopping is better, but still leaves a lot of soil behind. We are never going to eliminate the mop bucket, but in many applications, the platform will do a better job with less labor. The spray bottle is a very useful tool in applications such as window and mirror cleaning, where low volume is required. The How-To platform is built with a very convenient way to fill spray bottles for these applications. However, where high volume of liquid is needed, spray bottles can lead to problems such as carpal tunnel and wasted labor. Trigger sprayers only put out about 1/30th of an ounce per squeeze. It takes 2 squeezes just to put enough liquid on a square foot to get a 10-minute dwell time. For these applications, the How-To platform is clearly the better solution. Like spray bottles, flat mops are very useful in applications where they are appropriate. However, there are problems with low water absorption and low water pickup, resulting in poor soil removal and inadequate dwell time. The use of flat mops with the platform reduces many of these problems and makes the flat mop very useful. Now let's talk about the products used to clean restrooms. For the most part, a cleaner disinfectant is used. Often it is either a quaternary or hydrogen peroxide based. Make no mistake, these are poor cleaners and have little ability to remove water hardness deposits. The formulator's focus is on disinfection. Here are some other limitations in use. Generally, they require the surface to be wet for 10 minutes. The label states that heavy soils must be removed first. This means you are required to use 2 steps: clean and then disinfect. Really, picking up any soil is difficult while simultaneously leaving wet the surface for 10 minutes. Disinfectant cleaners in restrooms, under common practice, neither disinfect nor clean. These products are great in low soil areas such as hospitals, but are inadequate for restrooms. Here is the how-to platform. It uses 3 concentrates that we call solutions to make 9 different use solutions. The platform carries up to 6 gallons of water. It is operated through use of a handheld wand that has a keyboard and spray nozzle. The platform is battery operated, so there is only low voltage on the platform. The key features on the platform are a power switch, heavy-duty casters, lock and door for the solutions, and lots of features for multifunctionality, including the purpose-driven triangular shape. Maybe the most important feature is the computer control. We will talk more about that later. Here are all the benefits the how-to platform delivers. The most important benefit is the ability to reinvent the cleaning process to reduce labor and get better results. There is no cord to plug in, and the only control on the platform is a power switch. Everything is controlled by the keyboard on the wand. At the same time, the platform is environmentally friendly and amazingly accurate. It even has a brain. So what does Reinvent Clean mean? It means allowing the user to use more solution, which results in picking up more of the soil. The platform uses the right product at the right strength, rather than the only product you happen to have in the mop bucket. The platform provides many application options using a clean, then sanitize philosophy. The platform always provides fresh, clean solutions and rinse water, resulting in high soil removal at the lowest possible labor cost.
When doing this bank of urinals, we can continuously spray product and get the outside of the urinals and the walls if desired, or we can quickly turn off the flow and on with simple keyboard entry.
Notice the grout in this photo is cleaner near the floor drain than further out. For maximum labor savings and maximum cleanliness, always use the floor drain with a squeegee and brush and leave the mop bucket in the closet.
Here is a quick demonstration using the How-To Productivity platform to apply all-purpose cleaner use solution to the kitchen floor. If we go into more heavily soiled areas, we can switch to a medium duty or the heavy duty concentration on the fly. There is nothing in the universe to compare with this capability. After we clean the floor, we can quickly apply sanitizer and we are off to the next cleaning job.
Competitive surveys show that used solutions coming out of these wall-hung dispensers typically cost between 20 cents and $1.50 a gallon. How-to use solutions are on average less than half that expensive. We accomplish this by drastically reducing the amount of packaging we use and eliminating the huge costs related to the wall-hung dispenser. We lower equipment costs by replacing many pieces of equipment with an advanced device. The wall-hung dispenser is eliminated with a mobile device that is more accurate and uses less labor. We eliminate those pressure washer carts by cleaning the floor daily with a brush and squeegee so the grout stays clean. There is never a need for restorative deep cleaning. Here is a detailed view of the wand. The keys 1 through 9 correspond to the use solutions available: 2 sanitizers, a glass cleaner, 3 restroom products, and 3 general purpose cleaner dilutions. The right product for every job, and of course a water rinse. Pumps shut off automatically after 30 ounces or can be stopped instantly with the stop key. Here is a rundown of the many tools available with the platform. These are displayed on the handy holster that keeps them within the operator's reach. The wand is built with a flat spray nozzle for floors, and then there are attachments such as the full cone nozzle for equipment and toilets, and a special device for cleaning showers while standing outside the shower. All these tools provide a gentle spray with no mist. Then we have a bottle filler that fills the spray bottle to the top and shuts down automatically with no foam or mess. Soon we will add a foamer to the set. We will create more tools as needed. You just need to tell us what you want. Here are our green credentials. We only use raw materials that are listed with the EPA's Clean Ingredients list. All of our materials are readily biodegradable, and we don't add any unnecessary staplers. Most important, we drastically reduce packaging by using much more concentrated formulas. Okay, we already filled one spray bottle with a glass cleaner. As you can see, it came up that high. Now we're going to fill a second one and see how close it comes. Of course, I'm holding the camera with both hands. If you were filling using one of those wall-hung dials, you'd have to hold the bottle in one hand and the valve in the other, and hope you didn't get a face full of detergent. So, where's it going to stop? Exactly the same place as the other one. We guarantee superior results with less labor in all of these applications: restrooms, food service, showers, carpet care, and more. And it is so easy to see for yourself. The platform is so mobile that wet demonstrations are almost as simple as just talking about it. At the heart of our technology is a computer. Like the smartphone, this computer can lead us to many apps. And in fact, we have reduced some of these things to practice and included them in our patent application. The platform will be an Internet of Things device. However, if you buy a platform now, all future upgrades on that platform will be free.
Finally, we want to show how easy it is to get in and out of a toilet stall. The How To Productivity platform can go anywhere and do virtually anything.